Batunan. Our participants from Municipality of Malang. And we have our participants from the Municipality of Matalaw. Ayun, palapakan naman po natin ang ating mga participants. Also, we have our participants from Kidapawan City. Ayan. Thank you everyone for being with us. And to formally open today's training, let us welcome our OIC Assistant Regional Director of DILG Region 12, Assistant Regional Director Samuel A. Kamaganakan for the opening remarks. Let's give him a round of applause.
Engineer Samuel Kamaganakan.
Thank you, Jana. Good morning!
Good morning.
Kumusta kayo? Okay naman, no? So, in behalf of our Regional Director, no, I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation sa inyong pagdalaw ngayon. No? Ang ating Regional Director, Atty. Rochelle Maynay Cero, ay may isa ring inatinan na mahalagang